In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an HTTP data source to send data to Upsolver. HTTP data sources are useful if you want to send data from a website or a mobile app directly to Upsolver, without needing to bother with additional infrastructure. We start by clicking Add Data Source in the Data Sources tab. Then we'll select the HTTP input. We'll name our input so we can reference it later, and select the JSON content format. Next we'll click Create, and the data source is ready to use. If we go to the Properties tab, we can see two URLs. The first is the ingest URL, which we use to send data to the data source. The second is the test URL, which can be used to verify that the data we're sending is being read correctly by Upsolver. Let's start by sending a simple JSON to the test URL. First we'll copy the URL. I'll use Hurlit to send the HTTP request. Data is sent to Upsolver via post HTTP requests, with the payload in the request body. Any legal JSON is a valid input, and Upsolver maintains the original hierarchy of the data. For this demo, I'll just send a simple JSON with one field. We can see that the response is a JSON that contains the data sent, plus the headers that were sent along with the request. These headers are automatically stored by Upsolver. Next, we'll use the ingest URL in order to actually send the data. We'll copy the ingest URL, paste it again, and click Send. Requests sent to the ingest URL return a response code 200 if the request has been successfully received. Unlike the test URL, this response doesn't include information on errors that might have occurred when reading the content of the request. Now that we've sent data to our new data source, we can go back to the Schema tab and see that our message has been processed and the object schema has been auto-detected.